These wand and hose systems are suitable for use by all professional carpet cleaners in almost all domestic and commercial sectors, including hotels and healthcare. There are 3 units in the Steempro range of portable carpet and fabric soil extraction machines: the Power Flow, the Power Max and the larger Power Plus. The front tank contains the cleaning solution and the rear tank the recovered waste. In the bottom of each solution tank there is a screw-in mesh filter designed to prevent waste materials and foreign objects from damaging your pump. Unscrew this regularly, clean and replace. In the waste tank there is a ball float vacuum shutoff valve designed to help prevent foam and water from ingesting into the vacuum motor, which may cause damage. Regularly remove like this, clean and replace. The recovery tank is an inlet tube. This allows the waste solution to enter the tank and will require regular cleaning. Simply loosen the tube gently, pull out, clean and replace with the slot facing downwards against the back wall. The switch panel is on the handle. The Power Flow has 2 switches, one for the vacuum and one for the pump. The Power Max and the Power Plus have 3 switches, one for each vacuum motor and one for the pump. Connecting the 2 hoses is simple. Push the grey cuff onto the black barbed inlet to the waste tank and connect the brass male coupling into the female at the rear of the machine. Ensure it is fully clicked in, like so. Repeat this action at the other end to successfully connect the carpet cleaning wand. After adding the recommended amount of detergent to the water in the solution tank, turn on the switches and commence extraction cleaning with the wand. Try to keep your back straight whilst doing so. Leaning onto the wand does not clean any deeper, in fact it could restrict airflow. Make as many extra vacuum passes with the wand as required. Once the clean is completed, you can empty the waste solution via the gate valve at the rear of the machine. To empty any excess clean solution from the front tank, consider attaching a priming drain hose and simply pump that solution into the waste tank and clean like so. Remember, each machine comes with a voucher to attend a 1 day of a Prochem training course free and help you get the best results when cleaning carpets with your machine.